to play team sports, to do something you love at this age, it's a gift, so why not keep doing it? My name's Tom Wiberg, I live in Dallas, Texas. It was pain, it was definitely lack of motion. You try to throw, you try to even lift your arm, and it was painful. And that continued, and I was fighting it, taking Tylenol and Advil. It wasn't much fun. I realized I couldn't even play baseball doing that. It just got to the point where I realized I needed to do something about it. I talked with 2 doctors before, and I just wasn't comfortable with them. I didn't feel like they were serious about me wanting to do what I did at my age. I kept looking, and I found Dr. Kruse.
We have seen in our own practice when we track our data, and this also has been published in multiple studies, that patients in their 70s and 80s undergoing both shoulder replacement and rotator cuff repair can have excellent results. Their results are no different than patients in their 50s or 60s, and interestingly, their complication rate is no higher. It's very rarely an issue. It's maybe like less than 1% of patients can't get cleared by their doctors. There is no age limit. You know, the oldest patient I've ever operated on is 104. Anybody who's less than 104, I get to say, you know, you're not the oldest.
I knew he was an ex-athlete. I knew he played football in college. I knew he understand how important sports are to people who want to keep playing. And immediately I felt like, okay, he gets it.
We've got a great team, sports medicine trained, physician assistants. We have treated so many athletes over the years. They know the special requirements that athletes have and kind of where their mind's at. And also for us, you know, the majority of our surgeries, we accelerate the rehab, we accelerate the recovery. So we are going to get you on the field as fast as possible with the best chance of getting back to your full potential. And I say that with confidence just because I know our numbers, I know our stats, and I trust our team, and I trust our process.
Other doctors said, oh, you're going to be a sling for 8 to 12 weeks. I was back at work in 2 days. People are saying, what are you doing here? And I said, I'm fine. It was that quickly that I recovered and was back to doing normal things. I took my time to build up, and at about 6 months, I felt like, okay, I'm ready. There's probably about 4 guys in my team who've had shoulder surgery. None of them could believe I was throwing at 4 or 5 months because every one of them was in a sling and rehabbing for 4 to 5 months.
We have found that our patients who actually get out and exercise quickly after surgery have quicker recoveries and less pain. You know, the body loves exercise. It loves the endorphins from exercise. It loves the overall stress relief. And when you have a body-mind, right, that is in a low stress, high functioning state, guess what? You heal better, you have less pain. So it's not only can you exercise, but you should.
The team was fantastic, every one of them. The communication before the surgery, I just felt like this is something they do all the time, and they really care about getting me back healthy so I can play again.
With Dr. Kruse, we strive to give a very comprehensive patient care experience. We want it to be very high level. We want our patients to come in feeling cared for, that we're familiar with their case and that we're ready to help them, and then leave feeling very comfortable and confident that we were able to give them the answers they were looking for.
Everybody has a job, and we see to it that we're all doing our job to the best of our ability, and I do think that helps aid in how well we work as a team.
Ultimately, he understands the athlete side of it. He understands that people don't have 4 to 6 months to rehab. He will get you back quickly.
If you're an athlete and you're looking for someone who is very specialized, who has seen your problem thousands of times, come see us. You know, we're going to be extremely open about the whole process along the way, and I think when you meet us, you'll feel very confident that we're a great team to fix your problem.